Welcome to my channel, M&D Info.
Behold the iconic Tower Bridge stretching over the River Thames, an engineering marvel from the 19th century. This landmark is not just another pretty face in London's skyline, but a symbol of the city's rich history and determination. The Tower Bridge was born out of necessity. It was the 19th century and London was growing rapidly. The east end of the city needed a bridge, but not just any bridge. It needed to allow tall ships to pass, hence the ingenious solution, a combined bascule and suspension bridge. This unique design, coupled with its Victorian Gothic style, has made the Tower Bridge an architectural spectacle in its own right. The Victorian Gothic design, with its robust towers and intricate stonework, reflects the aesthetic sensibilities of the era, while the functionality of the design speaks volumes about the city's industrious spirit. A testament to London's architectural prowess, the Tower Bridge stands as a proud sentinel, guarding the timeless stories of this city. Now, gaze upon the London Eye, Europe's tallest cantilevered observation wheel, offering a bird's eye view of the city. This modern marvel, standing at a staggering 440 feet, was primarily built to celebrate the dawn of the new millennium. A testament to human ingenuity, the London Eye took 7 years and the collective effort of hundreds of skilled workers to come to life. From its highest point, the London Eye offers breathtaking views, stretching out over 25 miles on a clear day. It's not just a ride, it's an experience. As you ascend, the city unfolds beneath you, revealing iconic landmarks like the Tower Bridge, Buckingham Palace, and the Houses of Parliament in a new light. The London Eye has etched itself into London's skyline, becoming an indispensable part of the city's identity. It's a symbol of the city's ability to blend the past with the present, the historic with the high-tech. The London Eye, a modern marvel that offers a panoramic view of history, blending the old with the new. Let's fly over Buckingham Palace, the London residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. The palace's story begins in the early 18th century as Buckingham House. Over the centuries, it has transformed into the grand palace we see today, with its iconic architectural style, a mix of neoclassical and French Renaissance. This majestic palace has been the backdrop of significant historical moments, witnessing the reign of several monarchs. It serves as a potent symbol of the British monarchy, embodying both its grandeur and resilience. One of the palace's most celebrated traditions is the changing of the guard ceremony. This colorful display of British pomp and ceremony is a must-see, with its intricately dressed guards and their precise choreographed movements. Buckingham Palace, a symbol of continuity, standing tall amidst the ever-evolving city of London. Next, we approach the Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, the political heart of the United Kingdom. Unraveling centuries of history, these grand edifices stand tall, narrating tales of power and politics. Big Ben, the name often used to describe the tower, the clock, and the bell, is officially known as the Elizabeth Tower, renamed in 2012 to mark Queen Elizabeth's Diamond Jubilee. The Gothic Revival architecture of these structures, designed by Charles Barry and Augustus Pugin, is a sight to behold, a testament to the artistic prowess of the Victorian era. They house the two houses of the UK Parliament, the House of Lords and the House of Commons, serving as the epicenter of the country's legislative activities. And the sound of Big Ben's bells, that iconic chime, resonates far and wide, marking the passage of time. The Big Ben and Houses of Parliament, a symbol of Britain's democratic tradition, echoing through the centuries. Finally, we take a sweeping view of London, a city of contrasts, where history and modernity exist side by side. We've traveled from the towering majesty of the Tower Bridge, standing as a testament to the city's industrial past, to the futuristic London Eye, offering panoramic views of this ever-changing metropolis. We've stepped back in time at the historic Buckingham Palace, bearing witness to centuries of royal heritage, and stood in awe at the Big Ben and Houses of Parliament, symbols of London's political power and influence. Each of these landmarks, each corner turned in this city, tells a unique story, a blend of the old and the new. This is London, a city where centuries-old history coexists with cutting-edge innovation. A city that embraces its past, while boldly striding into the future. London, a city that tells 1,000 stories, each landmark a chapter in its grand narrative. Until next time, keep exploring.
Please subscribe my channel, M&D Info. Thanks for watching.